Hello, my name is Trinson Pham, and this is my Unit 3 project on perimeter and area of composite shapes. As we can see here, the example and problem that we're going to solve today is finding the area and the perimeter of the polygon. Looking at this polygon, we can clearly identify that we can split this into a basic rectangle and a triangular figure. The long side of the rectangular figure is 16 centimeters and the two short sides are 7 centimeters. The two sides of the triangle are 10 centimeters and the altitude of the triangle is 6 centimeters. In order to find the area of this polygon, we're going to have to find the base and the height of the rectangular figure and add it to the area of the triangular figure, which is 1/2 to the base times the height of the triangle. This formula makes sense as a triangle is only 1/2 of the base and the height multiplied together, as that will originally form a full rectangle, and we can see that if we flip these two sides of the triangle over, it will fill up the entire rectangle, therefore making it 1/2 base times height. Substituting in numbers for base and the height, we get 16 centimeters times 7 centimeters plus 1/2 16 centimeters times 6 centimeters. Simplifying this down, we get 112 centimeters squared plus 48 centimeters squared, which will end us off with 160 centimeters squared, which is the area of this entire polygon. In order to find the perimeter of this polygon, we are going to have to find the sum of all the sides, as if we were going to make a fence around this entire shape. So first off, we get the two sides of the triangle, which is 10 centimeters plus 10 centimeters, and we add that to 7 centimeters, 7 plus 7 centimeters plus 16 centimeters. Simplifying this down, we get 20 centimeters plus 14 centimeters plus 16 centimeters, and this will end us off with 50 centimeters as the perimeter. And notice how we only put centimeters here instead of centimeters squared, as area records the 2D space of the polygon and perimeter is just the 1D measurement around just the length of the perimeter.